Hey everyone, what's up? It is Michelle Lynn Smith, and I am here today to talk to you about the My Challenge Tracker app. It's a brand new app. It's the way that I have been running my past couple challenge groups, and it's really been working well for my challengers. I want to give you a little tutorial about what it looks like, how it works, talk about some of the best features that people really enjoy about it. I'm going to give you a little demo on my phone. The app is completely free to download, and you can download it and get into a group with an invitation from me when I have my next challenge group. So once you get your invitation, you would log in and you would get the app downloaded and start right here on your phone. So once you click on the app, you log right into your current challenge group. And so it works kind of like Facebook, but it's nice that it's not on Facebook, so you don't get bogged down with all of those other distractions. You'll set up your name, you'll set up your username, and you are going to have the option to add in some progress information. So you're going to add your goal, you're going to add your measurements, you're going to add your starting weight, you're going to put a before picture in the group. There's a reason for that. I encourage everyone to do that. I just had someone this week tell me they wish they would have taken their measurements and their before picture because they feel the changes in their body, but they can't gauge it from where they started because they didn't do that. So I strongly encourage everyone to always do that, and you can do that in the app. The group doesn't see it, it doesn't go anywhere. I'm the only one that can see those things if you want me to. So you actually have the option to allow me to see it or to not. Most everyone does let me see it, and that helps us have a more meaningful conversation as we go throughout the group and as we check in with each other. So that's the first thing that you want to do, is make sure that you add your goal and get all of that pre-work done. And those are the things that we do during our first week, which we call prep week. Ready to go. It's super simple to start logging your progress every day. So every day you're going to click that you did a workout, and you can take a picture of yourself. That is highly encouraged, to see how hard you worked. Everyone loves seeing those sweaty selfies. I have so many people right now with these headbands that are just so funny and so amazing and really motivational. So we're seeing a lot of that in the groups, and it's inspired others to go out and get those headbands or tank tops. And then you can write, like maybe you want to write something about the workout that you did, and you add that workout to the group. And that gives it a date and time stamp so that I know you worked out that day. The other thing is you want to add your Shakeology. And so you just click on the icon, same thing, take a picture of it, let us know what recipe you used. My one group right now has a group favorite recipe, and it's the cinnamon roll. It's chocolate. And it's because one person posted it, and then everyone else was like, that looks great, I'm going to try it. And now at least 5 or 6 people in the group drink it pretty much every single day. It's definitely my favorite, but for whatever reason, seeing someone else post it made the entire group fall in love with this one recipe. In the group, every day there's going to be a post from your coach, which is typically me, but sometimes I run groups together with other coaches, and they will be in there as well. You have the option, if you want to, in the group feed to filter on just coach posts. So if you only want to see what I put out there, you can filter on that. If you want to see what everyone else is doing, you could see the whole feed just as you typically would a timeline on Facebook or Instagram even. Once you are done with the day, you can like someone's post, you can comment on it just like you would on Facebook, and it's really encouraging. And you typically see that throughout the group, that people are liking everyone's workout pictures, they're commenting and giving everyone support and motivation, and I love that. So you get that from your group members, and you also are going to get that daily encouragement from me. You can, at the end of the week or any point in the week, you can see your progress. So there's a little icon on there, and it'll just chart your progress. And you can even view your weekly chart, and this just shows you how many days did you work out, how many shakes did you drink, how are you doing overall, and you can scroll through the different weeks using that feature. It's really nice. It's kind of a good gauge. It's your accountability diary, if you will. These are just push notifications that you can turn on or off. It really depends on what you want as people are posting. The other thing that the app will do is you can set up reminders. So if, say, by 8 o'clock at night you haven't logged anything, the app will remind you that you haven't logged anything. And that way, if you have worked out, if you have drank your shake, if you want to report on something, you will get that gentle reminder and be able to go into the group and make sure that you are logging. We all get busy. It happens all the time. So there are days when I work out first thing in the morning and then I'm just going all day and I forget to log it into the group. So I love that reminder feature. That way I can go back in and get that done. You can update your progress or your goals at any point. So as you're progressing, you can go back in and update those things. Another great feature that the app has is at any point, if you want to get in touch with me, you can easily do that via the group. You don't have to worry about remembering my email, or you don't have my phone number and can't text me. This way, everything stays in the group. You just click on my picture. This is Coach Mindy, so I'll use her as an example. So you would click on her because she's your coach, and then it will take you to where right up at the top it says you can contact. You would just click on the contact coach button, shoot me whatever you want, and let me know if you want me to call you, do you want me to text you, do you just want to send me something. It'll shoot me an email and then I will be able to respond. At the end of every week, you're going to get an email from me, and it's a progress email letting you know, how did you do overall? I'm going to check in with you. I want to know how you feel, what went well, what didn't go so well, what can I help you with? Are you ready for your meal plan for the next week? Do you have your workouts scheduled? That's all contained within the app, and it's super sweet, and it's really slick. You don't have to remember to log into Facebook. You don't have to go down that rabbit hole, which is sometimes Facebook and the endless scrolling on the timeline. So that is my overview of the app. I hope you guys are excited and ready to get that invitation to my next challenge group. If you are interested, please reach out to me. My email is coachmichelleLynnSmith@gmail.com. I would be happy to talk to you about an upcoming group and learn a little bit more about what your goals are and how I can help you. Have a great day.